What's up, everybody? As many of you probably know, today was opening day of PA doe and buck and everything. Or pretty much you can shoot anything. If you have a doe tag, you can shoot a doe. If you have a buck tag, you can shoot a buck. But yeah, so today we woke up early and we got out there, and we got her done. We walked out like a mile back and sat there, and we got lucky enough to get a buck. Well, here's the buck. Guys probably know the spike. Spike's cool. Well, yeah, a group of 8 deer came rolling down a hill, and I heard a bunch of shooting from up there. Like I said, 8 of them come rolling down, and well, this is the first one that I saw with antlers, so took an aim, shot him. It was all good. He was down, and gutted him and everything, and took him back home. As you guys can probably tell, he has a really gray face. Oh man, I'm just so happy I got him. He's about, 50 yards away, I'd say. Yeah, probably about 50 yards away in thick stuff. Oh my god. Alright, guys. For those of you who've never seen a tick before, here is a bunch of them. It's all in one ear. Crazy. There's so many little ones. That's crazy. Well, yeah, they came running down the hill. I heard a bunch of shooting from up there, and I was lucky enough to see that one. This one, I saw some white on his head without looking through the scope. So I'm like, look, there's a buck. My dad goes, shoot, and I go, bang! I used a .243. He stopped, right in the middle of, two trees. Just, like, literally showing his shoulder, and that was it. So I'm like, okay, it might be the only shot I get from him. So I took him, and, yeah, good 2016 buck, last year I got a buck, and, it was a 4-point. So, I'm pretty cool with getting a buck every year. Down. Although, this year it got smaller, but hey, it's a buck, Nice flat head. Crazy. And I can't believe how many ticks are in his one ear. It's cold. Whenever I shot him, it was like 35 degrees. And, no snow on the ground. Yeah, I got this really good deal. My uncle said that, if he gives me the hide and everything, just like for a head mount, that he'll do my, little antlers, on a plaque. Because, just yesterday a guy came into him, he was like, hey, got an 8-point. It's a nice 8-point and everything, but his neck was all screwed up. So he's like, if you give me just enough for a head mount, I'll do your antlers for free. I'm like, for sure, because it's just a spike, It's a good deer. Really brown, and yeah. I'm happy. Got it about 8:15 this morning. It was cold. Yeah, about 50 yards away with a 243. Nice thick tail. I don't think it saw us at all. That's cool. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but there's a lot of gray on its face for a 2-year-old. It couldn't be no more than 2 years old because it's just a spike. But yeah, it's a big body too. He's gonna give us a lot of steaks, jerky. It's gonna be awesome. I got doe earlier in the season, but yeah. Last year I got a 4-point. Hey, I'm cool with a buck. I don't care what size it is. If it's a buck, I'll shoot it. Man, so nice. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, hopefully in the next couple of days I'll actually get me killing the deer on my GoPro. This one, I forgot to turn it on, and you know, it just happened so fast. Like, they came down and he was there, and then I shot him and it was over. So yeah, I wish everybody else luck for the rest of the season, and yeah, well, peace out, guys. Yeah, bye.